each other tonight. We're counting on each other.
Build a stadium at the end of the day, okay? It's gonna be 100% plus, so that just means that's more eyes, 40,000 more eyes to see what we're gonna do tonight, right?
Let's go, D-Big. Let's go, Bigger. Let's go.
What's up, man? We locking them down all game, man.
Be ready. Work. Let's get it. Let's score. Yeah. We take it to them tonight. Every play. We still got the same mission. That's key.
Let's get it, man. B-Tech. Let's get it.
Dominate on 3. 1, 2, 3. Dominate.
CJ, be big with what you got there now. Be big now. Be big, Green.
Your family, right? Yeah. Hey, you love your family, right? Yeah.
Let's go. Everybody got a role in that. Too many.
Dominate them up front. That's what it's all about. They don't know what you're all about. They don't know who we are, man.
Yeah. Let's go, fellas. You're never going to get this day back. You're never going to get this day back.
If it's going good, great. Forget about it and play that next play. If something bad happens, forget about it. Play that next play.
Let's go. Let's go, fellas. Let's go, Meach.
Let's go, baby. What's up, AJ?
I know it is hard in there.
Talk about it.
Keep it going, keep it going.
We play really hard and we go out there and win this game. Does that make sense?
Stay in the present. The next play, am I right?
Yes, sir. We got 2. We can go get 2 more. You know what I mean? We can't be complacent, man.